This is my statement wall in my living room that I use the NuWallpaper. I have the Grassweave in the neutral color, and I just did it panel by panel, so it's peel and stick. I did have to take my time to try to line up the weave, but you can also see that I didn't do a perfect job. When I really zoom in, I can see a little bit of a gap here. Thankfully, this really hides mistakes well. That does not catch the eye. And overall, it just makes a really nice statement piece in my house. Now, my walls are not overly textured. If you have really textured walls, that might not be a great fit. But again, I just want to show you some of my mistakes. So I had a pretty good sized gap here, and I had to cut like a little skinny piece. And when I get in close, I can see it. However, even a couple of feet away, I don't see it at all. So to me, this was a project I did in one day. It probably took me about 4 to 5 hours to do this wall. And I believe that I used 4 to 5 rolls. I'm extremely happy with it. I think it looks custom and high end, and it really brought life to our living room. So I recommend it.